Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use PayPal seller protection. Let's get straight into it. The first step, of course, is to check eligibility. So you want to check that your account is eligible for seller's protection. You must have a PayPal business or premier account, and familiarize yourself with PayPal's policy and ensure that you are compliant with all that. Now, step 2 is to meet the basic requirements. First, you want to ship the item to the buyer's confirmed address on PayPal, and then you can use a shipping method that provides tracking and delivery confirmation. And you also want to make sure that you keep records of the transactions, including the payment, shipping, and communications with the buyer. Now, the third step is resolve disputes and claims. You can respond to disputes and claims filed by the buyer in a timely manner. You also want to make sure you provide any required documentations, such as proof of shipping or delivery confirmations. You also want to cooperate with PayPal's investigation into the disputes or claims. Now, the fourth step is the benefits of PayPal seller protection. So it offers PayPal seller protection, protects you against unauthorized transactions. It also protects you against claims that the item was not received. Likewise, it protects you against claims that the item was not as described. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use PayPal seller protection. Hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.